right, so this is going to be a two-part process. I'm going to first do the rear diff. I've done an earlier video on my previous channel showing you how to install the Ford Performance rear diff cover. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the fluids. I'm at 33,000 miles, so this would be the second fluid change on there. I'm going to use the Motorcraft SAE 75-140 full synthetic fluids in the rear diff. It takes just over 3 quarts, by the way, because of the new diff. I'll show you. And it does not require additives. A lot of people have asked me, do I need to put additives? No, it does not require additives on the rear diff. The front diff does. So just hang in there and I will show you how quick it is to do it. So I'm doing a rear diff service. I have the Ford Performance rear diff cover. It's holding really well. I've had it now for about 25,000 miles. You just need a 3/8 drive. What I like to do is we're going to fill it to the first fill hole, not the second one. The second one, if you had a lifted truck where the pinion angle is so aggressive, which you would never want to do that to this truck, or hopefully any truck, and then it requires you to fill it to the top. So we're going to fill to the lower one. Removing the top hole first is to help with the vacuum, which will be my fill hole. And then I'm going to remove the bottom one so I can drain it very efficiently. The fluid is really clean for 25,000 miles. Looks really, really clean. So we're gonna let it drain for a little bit and then we'll fill it up and see how it goes. All right, so take the quart that you have. Again, to show you guys, I'm using the Ford. We drained the fluid. It was literally clean, almost as clean as I put it in. There was very little metal shavings or any deposits on there on the magnets. It's the 75-140. It does not require any additive, and just basically fill until the fluids start to drip out of there. So it's full. It's starting to drip a little bit up at the top, all the way where it needs to be. I wouldn't fill it to the top hole because that's a lot more fluid than you need. More fluid means more kinetic energy that's going to produce more heat, and you requires more cooling. It doesn't always help you. So use only what's recommended and do not put more.